Imagine waking up tomorrow with the power to travel through time. You could witness the rise of ancient civilizations, see dinosaurs roaming the earth, or even visit humanity thousands of years in the future. At first glance, time travel seems like the greatest adventure imaginable. But what if this incredible ability came with terrifying consequences? What if changing a single moment in history could unravel reality itself? Today, we explore the dark side of time travel and the hidden dangers that may make it one of the most dangerous powers ever conceived. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of traveling through time. Ancient myths, science fiction novels, and blockbuster movies have all imagined a world where people can move freely through the past and future. Modern science has even shown that time behaves in strange ways. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time can slow down under certain conditions, meaning that a form of time travel into the future is theoretically possible. However, traveling to the past presents a far greater challenge and introduces a host of disturbing paradoxes that could threaten the very fabric of existence. One of the most famous problems associated with time travel is known as the grandfather paradox. Imagine traveling back in time and accidentally preventing your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. If they never met, one of your parents would never be born, which means you would never exist. But if you never existed, then who traveled back in time to change the past? This creates a logical contradiction with no obvious solution. The paradox suggests that changing the past may be impossible, or that doing so could have consequences beyond our understanding. Another frightening concept is the butterfly effect. This idea suggests that even the smallest action can dramatically alter the future. Imagine traveling back hundreds of years and accidentally stepping on a small insect. Such a tiny event might seem insignificant, yet it could trigger a chain reaction of changes that completely reshape human history. Entire nations might rise or fall, technological progress could take a different path, and the world you return to might be unrecognizable. In a universe governed by cause and effect, even the smallest change could have unimaginable consequences. Some scientists and philosophers believe that changing the past might create alternate timelines rather than altering the original one. In this scenario, every decision and every change creates a new branch of reality. While this idea avoids certain paradoxes, it introduces another disturbing possibility. If countless alternate timelines exist, there could be infinite versions of you living different lives. Some versions might be successful, others might never have been born, and some could exist in worlds vastly different from our own. The thought of countless realities existing side by side is both fascinating and unsettling. Perhaps one of the strangest dangers of time travel is the possibility of meeting yourself. Many stories warn about the consequences of two versions of the same person occupying the same moment in time. While science does not provide a clear answer about what would happen, the possibilities are disturbing. Would reality tolerate such an encounter, or would it trigger a catastrophic paradox? Some theories suggest that the universe would somehow prevent the meeting from occurring, while others imagine unpredictable consequences that could alter the timeline forever. Time travel could also trap a person in an endless loop. Imagine reliving the same day over and over again with no way to escape. Every attempt to change events would only bring you back to the beginning. Such a scenario would not only be frustrating, but could also have devastating psychological effects. The inability to move forward in time could turn an exciting adventure into an eternal prison. Even traveling into the future presents serious risks. Suppose you journeyed thousands or even millions of years ahead. The Earth might be unrecognizable. Humanity could have evolved into something entirely different, or perhaps humans may no longer exist at all. You might arrive in a world where no one understands your language, culture, or history. The loneliness of being completely disconnected from your own era could be overwhelming. There is also a mystery that often puzzles scientists and skeptics alike. If time travel will eventually be invented, where are all the time travelers? Why haven't visitors from the future revealed themselves to us? Some researchers argue that time travel may be impossible, while others suggest that strict rules prevent travelers from interfering with the past. Another possibility is even more unsettling. Perhaps future civilizations discovered that the risks of time travel were simply too great and abandoned the technology altogether. Some theories suggest that time travel could threaten reality itself. The universe may depend on a precise sequence of events, and altering those events could create instability. In extreme scenarios, paradoxes could accumulate and lead to unpredictable consequences. While these ideas remain speculative, they highlight how little we truly understand about the nature of time and existence. Despite all these dangers, the dream of time travel continues to inspire scientists, writers, and dreamers around the world. It represents humanity's desire to understand the past, shape the future, and overcome the limitations of time itself. Yet every possibility comes with a warning. The power to move through time may also carry the power to destroy everything we know. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, one question remains unanswered. If a time machine were placed before you today, would you dare to step inside, knowing that a single choice could change history forever? Perhaps the greatest mystery of time travel is not whether it is possible, but whether humanity should ever attempt it at all. Thanks for watching Chronicle of Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more journeys through the greatest mysteries of time, space, and the universe.